This Century 21 Armstrong Team Realty property video is presented by Isa Parsons. Here it is. This delightful and spacious home could be yours. The open floor plan is just what today's buyers are looking for, with a split 3-bedroom, 2-bath floor plan. Beyond the inviting entryway, the home flows into a luminous open-concept living, dining, family room and kitchen area. The living room immediately adjacent to the entry hall is warm and inviting and features rustic look laminate flooring, which is carried throughout most of the house. The generous-sized formal dining room is just around the corner and connects to the efficient kitchen to the right. On the other side, the hallway also connects to the kitchen, eat-in nook and family room. The kitchen is the heart of the house and features granite look counters, glass tile backsplashes and beautiful large floor tiles. The generous-sized eat-in nook is an extra bonus and flows nicely into the spacious family room with vaulted ceilings. Just outside the family room is a large-sized deck perfect for entertaining. The 2 ample-sized spare bedrooms off the family room hallway are ideal for the family and has the second bathroom in between. On the other side of the house, you will find the owner's retreat complete with ensuite bathroom and separate dressing area. The wood paneling outside the house was replaced with long-lasting cement board. This is a wonderful opportunity to own a piece of the Florida lifestyle and is waiting for new owners. For more information, review the